Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to do breakfast. One of my favorite meals of the day. Most important meal of the day. Get you started out right. What we're cooking today is my take, or my version, of biscuits and gravy. It's very special. When you guys get done eating this, I guarantee you won't need to eat all day long. So sit back, relax, grab you a cup of coffee or chocolate milk or orange juice, whatever you got going on, and we'll get over here and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, we're going to start out. I already got the oven preheated. We're going to throw some, yeah I know they're canned biscuits. We're going to throw them on the baking sheet there, and we're going to get those baking so they can get done. And these aren't those flaky ones either. These are the good buttermilk ones, so it'll be alright. Now these bake at 350. I think it's 15 minutes. These will definitely be done before the rest of the stuff, but there we go. We got those, and I need to move you guys back out of the way so I can get these in the oven. We'll bring you back when we're getting ready to do the rest of them. Alright y'all, got them our biscuits in the oven. So we're going to start out here with the meats for the gravy. And yes, I did say meats. We're going to start out with some bacon. Get it off that plastic. Get that chopped up. This is about a half a pound. I guess I should have grabbed a sharper knife too, huh? Man, I'm slacking, y'all. Alright. Got that cut up. Throw that in the pan back there. Finish that up. Throw that in there. Put this over here to be washed so we don't cross-contaminate. Bring our pan up here. And we're going to put it on a medium heat. And we're going to get to cooking with that. So once I get this all started to be browned up, we'll bring you back to show you what else goes in here. Alright y'all, we got this bacon cooking up here. She's starting to brown up a little bit. And I know you can use your imagination for the smell of this bacon cooking here. Is there any better smell than bacon cooking? I don't think so. You know, maybe race fuel. You know, but in the kitchen, nah, nothing better than bacon cooking. So, alright, we're going to get that cooking, browning up a little bit more. We'll bring you back when we got it almost done. Alright y'all, got that bacon browning up pretty decent. So we're going to add the next ingredient. It's diced ham. I do about maybe a half a pound of the diced ham. And I buy the pre-diced, you know, pre-diced stuff. Just to save time and energy, especially if you're making this first thing in the morning. But got that ham in there. We need a little more ham. A little bit more. There we go. Get out of there. There we go. Put a little more ham in there. Alright. Let all that mingle there. And we're just trying to warm the ham up here. Not really trying to brown it too much, but by the time that bacon's done, that ham will be done. We pull it off and move on to the next ingredient. So, y'all sit tight, hang out. We'll bring you right back. Alright y'all, Oh, hey, that bacon's done, ham's done. It's trying to escape the pan, as you can see there. So we're going to pull that out, throw it onto some paper towel here on paper plate. Not that we don't want the grease, but we want the grease to stay in the pan. So I'll get as much of it out as I can here. Alright, got that all out of there. Now, our biscuits are almost done. So, we're going to throw a pound of breakfast sausage in the frying pan here and brown that up. Get that all busted up there. And, oh, biscuits are done. Alright. Alright, well, I'm going to shut you guys off. I'm going to pull the biscuits out. We're going to finish browning this sausage up here. And we'll bring you all back here when we're a little further along. Alright, y'all. Got the next step here. We got that sausage all browned up there and cooked. The next step is I got some seasoned flour. I'll toss that in there. That's about a cup. And then you want to take about 2 cups of water. Put in there. And this will thicken up and turn into a nice gravy. I'm going to turn the heat up just a hair to get her to boil quicker. Man, I wish y'all could be here smelling this. I'm just trying to break up some of the clumps of the flour stuff there. Oh yeah, she's starting to boil now. Now she's starting to boil. We're going to go ahead and add our bacon and our ham back into there. And turn our heat down a little bit now, about the medium. That way we don't scorch the gravy. Alright, look at that. She's looking delicious, y'all. Now I call this griddle gravy because you cook all the, like in a greasy spoon. They cook all this stuff on a griddle. So, oh, look at that. She's thickening up. Ooh, yeah. Now, if it don't thicken up to your liking, you can add a little bit more of that seasoned flour. And seasoned flour is basically just got pepper and stuff in it, but oh yeah. Alright. Look at that. That is awesome. 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 I'm going to turn the heat down even lower on that now. And let that just simmer. And we're going to move on to the next step. Bring you all back when we get set up. Alright, y'all. Now, you don't have to do this step. You can stop at the griddle gravy over there, but we're going to make a complete bear breakfast, you know. So we're going to start out, this is grease left over from the bacon and the ham and stuff cooking. We're going to throw 3 eggs in there. Try not to get any shells down in it. Get them eggs a cooking up there. I like my eggs over easy, so we're gonna get them kind of crispy around the edges there, and we'll flip them over and flip them over easy. Get it over easy. I try not to break the yolks, but you know, it's no joke when you break the yolk. Splash some of that hot grease up there and get that top side cooked a little bit. Just kind of helps keep from breaking the yolk when you flip them. Alright. Got that one flipped over. No problems. See if we can get this one flipped over without... Oh, look at that, we're 2 for 2. Can we make it a trifecta? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright. I can turn the heat off there because it'll maintain the heat there for cooking the rest of those eggs. Or cooking the eggs the rest of the way, I should say. I'm going to break them loose from the bottom of the pan there a little bit. Alright, now take them eggs, let them drip off a little bit. Flop them suckers over on them biscuits. I got 2 biscuits on here. Look at that. Now, a little more specialness here. A little Colby Jack cheese action going on there. And then we're gonna grab us up some of this gravy over here. Throw on top of there. Alright, y'all. There you have it. My version of biscuits and gravy. That is yumminess. So, hope you all enjoy. Hope you try making it. And, oh, we gotta take a bite. Let me grab some utensils. Oh, I'm throwing stuff now. Alright. Now, here we go. Got some of that egg in there. And that biscuit and that gravy. Y'all, that is perfection. Definitely gotta try this gravy. So, there you have it. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna eat while I'm doing my outro, you know, because this is just too good not to eat right away, you know. So, getting cheese in my beard. Alright, there you have it, y'all. Thanks for stopping by and checking out what I'm cooking. I really hope you try this recipe. It is awesome. You'll never go back to regular sausage gravy and biscuits again. You know, this is the way to eat it, man. I'm telling you. I've made this for years. Everybody that's ever had it has loved it. You know, so you all need to try it. So, appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, please go over and ring that little bell. It's free. Don't cost you anything. It helps me out. You know, we can bring you more delicious videos like this. And don't forget about my weekly Sunday live stream. Sunday nights, 7 p.m. Y'all come in. Talk about anything anybody wants to talk about. Cooking, small engines, repairs, fabricating, anything like that, everybody's welcome. It's just a big old hangout session, but we have a good time. So, alright, there you have it, y'all. Hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit.